On this special occasion of Vijayadashmi, we remember and honor the eternal presence of Sai. His physical form may have left us on this day in 1918, but his divine teachings, love, and blessings continue to guide our lives. As we pay our respect and remember his compassionate and selfless nature, let us find solace in knowing that his spirit remains with us, offering comfort and guidance. May his eternal light illuminate our hearts and lead us on the path of love, faith, and devotion. In the words of Sai, why fear when I am here? His presence live on in our hearts, offering solace and strength in times of need. Let us continue to follow his teachings and spread his message of love and unity, for that is the true way of to honor his legacy. On this auspicious day of remembrance, let us draw inspirations from the 11 promises of our beloved Baba. He assured us of his unwavering love and guidance, and these promises continue to be a source of solace and strength in our lives. When he said, "Whoever comes to me, I shall never return them away." Sai Baba doors are always open to those who seek refuge in his divine presence. I am with you. My soul dwells in the heart of those who think of me. His omnipresence is a reminder that we are never alone. My tomb shall bless and speak to the needs of my devotees. Even in his physical absence, his blessings remains with us. I shall be active and vigorous even from the tomb. His divine energy continues to work miracles in our life. My devotees will never be harmed. Sai watches over his devotees, protecting them from any harm. I shall be with them whenever and wherever they think of me. His presence is felt whenever and wherever our thoughts turns to him. If you look to me, I look to you. His gaze is always upon those who seeks his guidance. In whatever faith they are, I draw them to me. Sai's love transcends all boundaries. If a devotee has had a long lapse, don't despair and go to him with a pure heart. His forgiveness is boundless. I am dependent on him who thinks and hungers for me, who does not eat anything without first offering it to me. Sai's values are love and devotion. I am fond of talk with my devotees. He eagerly listens to our prayers and concerns. Let these promises remind us of Sai's enduring love and presence in our life. As we honor his memory, we may continue to walk the path of love, faith, and devotion he laid out for us. These promises conveys that he is always with us, offering protection, blessings, and unwavering support to those who seek him. As we remember him, let us continue to walk the path of love, faith, and devotion he showed us, and keeping Shraddha and Saburi in our mind and chanting Sai Sai.